Hey, what's up, y'all? Okay, so we're at Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. I want to show you guys what it looks like. I'm exploring here for just a weekend, and I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So if you have an idea of coming here, you should. I definitely recommend it. One of the top 5 countries I have been to. It impressed me right from the start. Simply from the views alone, like check out the Twin Towers. This is even better in person. I mean, it's unreal. I never seen anything like this. And if you enjoyed the nightlife, you will love it here. Nightlife is ridiculous fun. The people are very friendly here. I never had any problems or felt like I was unsafe. The food is good. There's several things to do here. I made a couple of shorts. You can go check them out. I went to the KL Tower, got the overview of the city. I went to the Echo Forest Park to see the observe the wildlife. There's Chinatown. Yeah, Chinatown was a vibe because it's a lot of food and it makes a great place to interact with the locals. So I came here alone. I was looking for some food. I actually made some friends, so that's a tip in itself. When you go visit these countries and you're alone, go to the place where everybody likes to hang out because you can just meet a lot of fascinating people, even other tourists as well. So I just explored this area and I was out very late. I think it was around like 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning, but I just want you guys to see this and just observe and see all the type of food and things you can do here at the Chinatown. This was my absolutely first time coming to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. It was just a, last minute decision. I never planned to come here, but I thought, why not? Just for the weekend. It's close to Thailand, maybe like 2-hour flight from Bangkok, less than that probably. Yeah, so I'm walking around with my camera, my phone, and nobody seems to even be paying me no mind, so I didn't feel like I was in a dangerous area or feel like people were watching me too much. Well, that's one of the good things about this place. You can just simply enjoy your vacation. And I'm not going to recommend any area or any place that's going to put you guys in any type of danger and jeopardy. Now, for some of the guys that may be thinking about what about the women, I've seen some few attractive women, but it's not a collectively, a group of them together. You may see one that's beautiful here, then, you walk up somewhere else, you may run into another one. But they do have some attractive women here. They don't seem to be they seem to be more conservative is what I'm trying to say. So not shy or not impolite, just conservative. So you probably got to break the ice a little bit. But overall, pretty decent. I think you enjoy the country itself overall as a whole. So you guys got to come to Kuala Lumpur. Put that on your list to visit. You won't be disappointed, trust me. Oh, and as far as the affordability here, it's not bad. It's not cheap. It's not too expensive. It's pretty much in the middle. But that's it, guys, and I appreciate you guys for watching the video. If you have any questions, leave me comments, like, share, follow, subscribe. Appreciate you guys.